Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you exactly how to install Node.js and NPM on Windows 11 step by step so you can start building and running Node applications without any confusion. Let's get started. Step 1. First open any web browser on your Windows 11 PC and go to Google. In the search bar, type download Node.js and press enter. From the search results, click on the official website from NodeJS.org to make sure you're downloading from a trusted source. Step 2. Once the Node.js website loads, you'll see two main download options on the home page. For most users, the Windows installer is the best and easiest option. Simply click on the Windows installer to begin the download. Step 3. By default, the website will download the x64 version, which works for most modern Windows 11 systems. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file to open it. Step 4. When the Node.js setup window appears, click Next to continue. Carefully read the license agreement, accept the terms, and then click Next again. Keep clicking. Next to continue with the default installation settings, which are recommended for most users. Step 5. Once you reach the install screen, click the Install button. The setup will now install Node.js and NPM on your system. This may take a few moments, so just wait for it to finish. When the installation is complete, click Finish to close the installer. Step 6. Now let's check if Node.js was installed successfully. Press the Windows key, type Command Prompt, and open it. In the Command Prompt window, type Node, version, and press Enter. If Node.js is installed correctly, you'll see the version number displayed on the screen. Step 7. To confirm that NPM, which stands for Node Package Manager, is also working, type NPM, version in the Command Prompt and press Enter. You should now see the NPM version number as well. Node.js and NPM are now successfully installed on your Windows 11 computer and you're ready to start building Node applications. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tutorials.